The memories I've built with my hard drive is like the memories I've built with the girl I like. Hi, what's up? My name is Kindoza and I'm with UP Maroon FM. I'm an independent pop artist and the story behind my name is actually it's my middle name. So it sounded cool lang and I stuck with it for as long as I can remember. I've been making music since I think around grade 9 or grade 10 and I've been producing beats, songs, writing songs and collabing with other artists. My sound is heavily influenced by the 1975, Zach Tabudlo, and I think a little bit of Keshi. And yeah, that's my music life. Yeah. So the item that I brought today is none other than my hard drive. This hard drive is very important to me because all of the files are stored in here. All of the music that you'll be able to hear that I produce are stored in here. All of the memories are stored in here. And it is related to my music, or it relates to my music because I've mentioned about memories, and this hard drive is like my memories with other people, with my friends, with my personal stuff, and my music. So this item is related to my song in a way because my feelings for this item, my hard drive, is very deep, and the memories I've built with my hard drive is like the memories I've built with the girl I like. And with that, I'll be performing my original song titled Nadarama. It's out on all streaming platforms.
Tago ka ba sa akin? Di mo masabi sa'kin, ngunit ramdam sa iyong damdamin. Alam mo naman aking namiss ang mga salita mong matatamis. Pwede ba lumapit ka na sa akin? Nadarama, huwag na natin itong itago pa. Kaya sabihin mo na, ako na ang laman ng puso, mahal. Kaya sabihin mo na, kaya sabihin mo na, kaya sabihin mo na.
So that was Nadarama. It's out on all streaming platforms. And if you want to be a part of my hard drive, my memories, you can check out my links down below at Kindoza_official on all social media platforms. And I'll be performing in Unsigned Jagged on May 8, 2026 at Matchbox Yard. Tickets are on sale on Facebook, Unsigned Maroon FM, Instagram, Unsigned MFM, and Maroon FM, and lastly, TikTok, Maroon FM. See you there.